Have you ever looked at a fishing setup and immediately thought, there's no way this could work? Eyes. That was exactly my first reaction when this idea came to mind. Not because it looked complicated. Actually, it was the opposite. It looked too simple, too strange, and maybe a little ridiculous, flushed face fishing pole. But sometimes the ideas that seem the most unusual are the ones worth testing. So instead of ignoring it, I decided to build it, piece by piece, step by step, without knowing exactly what would happen once it touched the water. And honestly, that uncertainty is one of my favorite things about fishing, because every new experiment starts with a question, not an answer, a question. What if? What if something ordinary could become a useful fishing tool? Eyes. And that's where things started getting interesting. At first glance, this doesn't look like something you would buy from a fishing tackle store. It doesn't look expensive. It doesn't look professional. And most anglers would probably scroll past it without giving it a second thought. But fishing has never been only about buying gear. It's about understanding fish, understanding attraction, understanding what makes a fish move toward your bait instead of swimming away. And while building this setup, I kept asking myself one question. What is the fish actually noticing underwater? The shape? The movement? The vibration? Or maybe something else entirely? Flushed face. Because fish don't experience the underwater world the same way we do. And sometimes the things we cannot see are the things that matter most. The more I thought about that idea, the more curious I became. Because most anglers focus on what looks good to them. But fish don't care what looks good to us. They react to signals, movement, pressure, and sometimes scent. That's when everything started to make sense. And that's the real idea behind this setup fishing pole fire. I used the body of a plastic syringe and drilled multiple holes through it. Those holes allow scent and attractant to slowly spread into the water while fishing. As water moves through the syringe, the scent gradually creates a trail around the bait. The goal is simple: help fish locate the area more easily. Then I attached one hook below and another hook above the setup. I also used a fluorocarbon swivel connection because fluorocarbon is harder for fish to notice underwater and helps keep the presentation looking more natural. The funny thing is, most people would never guess that's what this setup was designed to do. Eyes. They see a strange homemade fishing tool. I see an experiment, a way to test new ideas and learn how fish react. Will it work every time? Of course not. No fishing setup does. But trying new ideas is how anglers discover things that other people miss. And honestly, that's one of the best parts of fishing. Now, I want to hear from you. Would you actually try a scent release setup like this? Do you think it could attract more fish? Or would you stick with traditional methods? Flushed face. Let me know in the comments below, backhand index pointing down. And if you enjoy homemade fishing ideas, fishing experiments, and creative DIY fishing projects, Fishing Pole Fire, hit like, thumbs up, share this video with a fishing friend fish, and follow for more fishing content. Because sometimes the strangest fishing ideas create the most interesting results. Eyes.